guys like the professional, then this is the best one. DJI mavic2. This is really almost looks like Boeing or Airbus aircraft. It's very powerful. Oh, the battery is really a power jack, huge battery. Now let's see the unboxing. I tried it first in front of my house premise. Oh, say, hilarious. This is mavic 2, my dream one, honestly. See the box. I bought it from Best Buy. Best price from Best Buy. And this is for actually big guys. It should be opening some problem it was. Yeah, now it's easy. But excited honestly. I was searching where I can find out the opening port. This is 18 plus. Guys who are 18 plus is for them. Because you have lots of responsibilities. Yeah, see. Oh my goodness. Hard, nice, gorgeous. My eye was very big when I saw this one first. Unbelievable. It looks like the real aircraft, a small miniature aircraft. Maybe Boeing 747 or at least Airbus 330. Oh, maybe. You can see also the Airbus, the miniature 320. See that some ports there. Yeah, the accessories. Yes. It's good. See the small guy. Yes, I like it. Special something. It's new really to me. Wow, strong. Special. See backside. Yes, that is small. What's this? It's new. Everything is new here. Wow, the side too. Extra some things. Yeah, the big guys here. See the sensors, actually 8 sensors, total 8 sensors there. See the top. Whoa, see the front camera with cover. This is really big eye. See? Special. See something information there. The upside. Everything is new to me. How to open the legs, especially the back legs. You have to be careful. It's a different way. It's the big bird, really a big bird. 900 grams. It's a big bird. Back side, there is 2 sensors also. Upside, with 1 sensor. Yes, it's my bird. Yay! It's coming, it's coming. I'm flying with this one very soon. See the back legs, how to unfold. Oh, it should be fold. Sorry. See the folding. It was unfolded, now folded. Yes, it's my one. Now I am unboxing in the house. Yes, just sleeping or lying on the floor. I was playing with this one, how to see sleeping on the floor. Wow. Looks like amazing. I was lost totally. Then at my computer lab, see the propellers. It's very strong propellers. Lots of propellers. Accessories again. See especially how to fold and unfold your hands play. Inside your that special 2 knobs, you have to fix it on the top. See your play button, I think. See, it's new to me, so especially I was really exclaimed. The antenna, it has also antenna, because your aircraft will go so far, long miles from your hand. Yes, here is the guy. The gimbal is stuck there. Now open. See the camera, the gimbal or camera. The cover is there. The huge cover. See the camera cover. It's called gimbal. Camera is gimbal here. Gimbal or gimbal? It's really a gimbal. I was stuck on the time how to close because it's new to me. Everything is new there. Yeah guys, it's a real DJI mavic2. It's a real aircraft. See the propeller point. You have to fix up those propellers there. First time I was in puzzle. Then it was easy for me when I find out. Push strongly, then move it. Be careful. Just move one time, that's enough. Yeah, now the four legs with propellers. Power turned on. See, after having the power, your play card, how it looks like. Now testing the knobs. Everything is testing. It's new to me. Yes, on my floor it started. It says, really amazing. Looks, see it blinking. Blinking. Front has two red lights. Back has green. Oh, I think red light also here. Oh, see. Yes, now the real time. Database update should be careful to update the database. mavic2 zoom database, you have to agree. Terms of use, just say agree. Everybody just say agree. Nobody reading the terms. Then your mode, customizable buttons, everything should be continue. See the picture. Beginners mode. Within 48 hours you can get the deals from them. DJI Care, if you like, that's great. It takes $150 extra. $149 extra. If you like, just agree, just do payment there. It will give you safety like insurance. DJI Care refresh. You have to write down the serial number. The serial number is on your box backside. You have to put down the shipping address. Everything should be there. Secure checkout, payment options. Yes, then the knowledge quiz, if you like, just go through question 1. You can skip also, or you can just go through there. Yes, now go to the apps on your mobile. DJI 4.0, go to fly or go fly. You have to download that first. How to start, see? Asking lots of questions, safety tips, showing you round the clock. Tutorial completed. Safety tips. It's good to know. Now, see, suddenly what's happened with me? I could not take off my aircraft. I was really disappointed. I got at a loss. I could not fly my aircraft. Why I cannot fly? Because my house is in the no-fly zone in Washington DC area. See the real story? The red, all the areas are red, then I am making, oh, see my house in the, see my house in the H, my house is there. It's in the no fly zone, red area, or people saying the red area. So this area, no drone is allowed in this area. So I have to go so far from my house. I was searching which point I have to go. Outside of Northern Virginia, there is lots of places: Rockville, Bowie, Mainland. Oh my goodness, so costly this aircraft, but I could not fly on the first attempt. It looks like really heartbroken to me. I was roaming my map there outside of Washington DC area. I was watching the airport in the map. I was watching the green areas. Where is the green? Fairfax is near to my house, so I was planning to go Bark Lake. See the Bark Lake here? Bark Lake is about 8 miles something. Redstone, Leesburg, Lake Fair Oak, Great Falls. Yeah, so far those places. Rockville, so far from my house. So far, everything is so far. I am in the red zone. Oh my goodness. It's good and bad both. It's a safe area for me, for the people, but it's not good for the drone, for my drone. Oh my goodness. For this reason, this area's house is very costly, I think, because I was searching to buy the house. This area is very costly. Maybe this is one of the reasons. It's a very safe area, no fly zone, no unknown drone can fly here. Nobody can see our personal lives. Nobody can fly the drone on our head. But if I wanna fly, then I have to go so far. Now I'm making my calibration, everything is good. And this is the time for design mavic2. Yeah, it's good and bad both, but I like it. Thank you so much.